What if you could set up an income stream once, and have AI do the work of maintaining it, optimizing it, and scaling it, while you sleep? That's not a fantasy. In 2026, there are specific AI tools that people are using right now to generate real, recurring income with minimal ongoing effort. In this video, I'm breaking down the 5 best AI tools for building passive income, what they do, how much they can realistically earn, and exactly how to get started with each one. Let's get into it. Before we get into the list, let's be clear about what passive income actually means. It doesn't mean zero work, it means front-loaded work. You put in the effort once, build the system, and then that system generates income without requiring your constant attention. AI has changed this equation dramatically. Tasks that used to take hours, writing, designing, researching, customer support, can now be handled by AI tools in minutes. That means the front-loaded work is now smaller than ever. The 5 tools on this list all share 2 things. They're genuinely useful for building income, and the barrier to entry is low enough that anyone watching this can start today. Here they are. 1. ChatGPT, Claude, Content Business Engine. The most obvious tool on the list, but most people are using it wrong. The passive income play here isn't just write stuff and sell it. It's building a content-based business where AI handles 80% of the production. Here's the model. You pick a niche. Personal finance, fitness, business, tech. You use AI to produce blog posts, newsletters, or YouTube scripts at scale. You monetize through display ads, affiliate links, or a paid newsletter. A newsletter on Substack or Beehive with 5,000 subscribers can generate $500 to $2,000 per month through sponsorships alone. The content? Largely AI-generated, lightly edited by you. The key is consistency and niche selection. Broad topics are saturated. Specific ones, AI tools for real estate investors or dividend investing for millennials, have less competition and more targeted advertisers. Time to first dollar, 2 to 4 months. Earning ceiling, essentially unlimited, but $1,000 to $3,000 per month is realistic within a year for a focused operator. 2. Midjourney and DALL, digital product sales. AI image generators have created an entirely new category of passive income, selling AI-generated digital products. The most popular formats right now are printable wall art, Etsy digital downloads, Canva templates, and stock photography. Here's how it works. You use Midjourney or DALL to generate a batch of images around a theme, minimalist home decor, motivational quotes, abstract art. You upload them to Etsy or Creative Market as digital downloads. Someone buys, they download the file instantly. You never ship anything. A well-optimized Etsy shop with 5,100 digital listings can generate $500 to $2,000 per month in passive sales. The upfront work is generating the images and setting up the listings. After that, the store runs itself. The competitive edge in 2026 is trend spotting, finding aesthetics or themes that are growing in search before they're saturated. Tools like Pinterest Trends and Etsy's own search bar autocomplete are your best research tools here. Time to first sale, 2 to 6 weeks. Earning ceiling, $500 to $3,000 per month for a focused shop. 3. ElevenLabs, audiobook and podcast monetization. ElevenLabs produces AI voiceovers that are, in many cases, indistinguishable from human narration. This has opened up 2 significant passive income channels. First, audiobooks. ACX, Amazon's audiobook platform, allows you to publish audiobooks on Audible. Previously, you needed to hire a voice actor or record yourself. Now, you can produce a full audiobook narration with ElevenLabs for a few dollars in API costs. Public domain books. Anything published before 1928 can be turned into audiobooks and sold with no licensing fees. Royalties run 25–40% per sale. Second, faceless YouTube channels. Exactly what this channel is doing. You generate a script, run it through ElevenLabs, pair it with stock footage or AI-generated visuals, and publish. YouTube ad revenue averages $2 to $8 per $1,000 views, CPM, for finance content, one of the highest paying niches on the platform. The compounding effect is real. A library of 50 videos all generating ad revenue simultaneously is significantly more valuable than any single video. Time to first revenue, 3 to 6 months for YouTube monetization. Audiobooks can generate sales within days of publishing. 4. Jasper, Copy.ai, affiliate marketing, at scale. Affiliate marketing is one of the oldest passive income models online, and AI has made it dramatically more scalable. The model: You create content that recommends products. When someone clicks your link and buys, you earn a commission. Amazon Associates pays 1 to 10%. Software affiliate programs, SaaS tools, financial products, web hosting, pay 20 to 50% recurring commissions. The old bottleneck was content production. Writing 100 product reviews takes months. With AI writing tools like Jasper or Copy.ai, you can produce that content in days. The high-value play in 2026 is AI tool review content. Thousands of new AI products launch every month. Each one needs reviews, comparisons, and tutorials. These products often have generous affiliate programs, 20 to 40% recurring commissions, because they're competing for customers aggressively. A site with 200 AI tool review articles ranking for long-tail search terms can generate $2,000 to $10,000 per month in affiliate commissions once established. The key qualifier, once established, means 6 to 18 months of consistent content production before significant traffic arrives. This is a long game, but the compounding is powerful. Time to first commission, 2 to 4 months. Earning ceiling, $3,000 to $15,000 per month for a well-built affiliate site. 5. Gumroad AI, digital course and template business. The fifth tool isn't one AI product, it's a combination: AI for content creation, Gumroad or Lemon Squeezy for distribution. Digital products, courses, templates, guides, spreadsheets have near zero marginal cost. You build them once, sell them forever. AI makes the creation side fast. A 10-module course that previously took months to script, record, and edit can now be produced in weeks using AI for scripting, ElevenLabs for narration, and screen recording tools for demos. The best performing digital products in the finance and productivity space right now: investment tracking spreadsheets, personal finance templates, how to use AI mini courses, and niche-specific prompt packs. A single well-positioned product on Gumroad, priced at $27 to $97, can generate hundreds of sales per month through organic search and social traffic. At $47 with 100 sales per month, that's $4,700 in revenue, with no inventory, no shipping, no customer service overhead. The distribution side is where AI helps again. Use it to write your product description, sales page copy, and promotional content. Time to first sale, 2 to 4 weeks after launch. Earning ceiling, $2,000 to $20,000 per month for successful products. So, to recap the 5 AI tools for passive income in 2026. 1. ChatGPT, Claude, content business and newsletter monetization. 2. Midjourney, DALL, digital product sales on Etsy. 3. ElevenLabs, audiobooks and faceless YouTube channels. 4. Jasper, Copy.ai, affiliate marketing content at scale. 5. Gumroad AI, digital courses and templates. None of these are overnight, all of them are real. The common thread is the same: use AI to reduce the time cost of content production, then let compounding do its work over 6 to 12 months. If you found this useful, subscribe. We publish a new strategy every week covering passive income, AI investing, and building cash flow that works without you. Next week, we're covering the best dividend ETFs for beginners. How to build a portfolio that pays you monthly, starting with as little as $100. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.